Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Ubuntu Linux series on MindTech YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install Android Studio on Ubuntu Linux. Android Studio is a popular IDE used for Android app development. There are a couple of ways of installing Android Studio. One of them is directly installing from the Ubuntu Software Center as a snap package. Other one is downloading it from the official Android Studio website and installing it through JDB package installer or through command line. I'll be showing you the installation through Ubuntu Software Center as it is very much simple. And you also get almost latest version of Android Studio through Ubuntu Software Center. Let's open Ubuntu Software Center through Show Applications menu. Search for Android Studio. Select Android Studio. Click on Install. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes for Android Studio to install. As Android Studio is now installed, let's open it through Show Applications menu. The first prompt that it will show is that it is missing SDK. So click on Next to start SDK installation process. The next prompt will show you the Android API version to be installed and the path to which the SDK will be installed. You can customize the installation path. The next screen will show you the SDK components that will be downloaded and installed. Click on Finish to start SDK installation. It will take a while to install the SDK, around 10 to 15 minutes. SDK installation is now complete. Click on Finish. You can now start with your first Android project. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications for my future videos.